Coinbase had always sold itself as a place to trade, but Maya used it as a place to think. She worked in a small advisory shop where every recommendation had to survive both a spreadsheet and a skeptical client. The market moved too fast for habit, and she had learned that instinct was useful only when it could be checked against evidence. On a quiet Monday, she opened Coinbase and noticed the market insight section more carefully than before. Price charts were only the surface. Beneath them were layers of information that changed how she read the market. Recent trends, asset comparisons, historical performance, and data that helped her see whether a move was noise or part of a larger shift. She began with a simple question. Why was one token rising while another, with a similar story, drifted sideways? The research tools did not answer with certainty, but they narrowed the field. Volume suggested conviction. Volatility warned her about fragile gains. Relative performance showed which assets were leading and which were merely echoing the move. A colleague named Andre dismissed the tools at first. He preferred headlines, social chatter, and the comfort of a quick opinion. Yet when Maya pointed out that stories often arrived after the first move, he agreed to compare their methods for 1 week. Each morning, they tracked the same watch list. Coinbase surfaced patterns they might have missed on their own. One asset looked strong until the data revealed that its recent spike had little depth behind it. Another looked flat, but the research views showed steadier accumulation and fewer abrupt reversals. The contrast was not dramatic, but it was practical, and in markets, practical often mattered more than dramatic. The real surprise came on Thursday. A token that had been ignored all week suddenly attracted attention online. Andre wanted to chase it. Maya checked the market insights first. Trading activity was jumping, but the broader context looked unstable, with a sharp run already extended beyond its recent range. She suggested waiting. By the next day, the excitement faded, and the price gave back much of the gain. Andre did not say the words, but the lesson was clear. Research did not remove risk, yet it made risk easier to recognize before it became visible to everyone else. By Friday, they were not claiming victory, only discipline. Coinbase had given them a way to move from reaction to observation, from rumor to context. In a market where confidence could be expensive, that difference was enough to matter.